Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best HP Envy Inspire 7900E ink cartridge is probably one of the most essential components for anyone looking to maintain the pristine quality and vibrant colors of their printed documents and photos, ensuring that your HP Envy printer continues to deliver professional-grade results with every page, making it a crucial investment for both home users and small businesses alike who demand reliability and exceptional output. Number 5. HP 64XL Black High-Yield Ink Cartridge. Experience consistent quality and reliability with our Black High-Yield Ink Cartridge. It's engineered to work seamlessly with your HP printer for dependable results. Print up to 600 pages with this high-yield cartridge. It's perfect for all your everyday printing needs, whether at home or in the office. This cartridge is specifically designed to work with a range of HP printers, including the Envy Inspire, Envy Photo, and Tango series. Enjoy hassle-free printing. Make a responsible choice for the environment. HP has upcycled over 2,300 metric tons of plastic into our ink cartridges, helping to keep it out of our oceans. Save on ink with our Instant Ink program. This cartridge is eligible, offering you a convenient and cost-effective printing solution. Get vibrant, sharp black text and images with this genuine HP ink. It ensures your documents and photos look their best, page after page. What we like. This high-yield black cartridge offers an impressive 600 pages of printing. It's also made with recycled ocean-bound plastic, making it an eco-conscious choice. If you print a lot of black and white documents and want to reduce your environmental impact, this is the cartridge for you. What people say. The HP Envy Inspire 7900E ink cartridge delivers vibrant colors and sharp text, making prints look professional. Installation of the HP Envy Inspire 7900E ink cartridge is straightforward and hassle-free. This ink cartridge offers excellent print quality for both documents and photos, with consistent ink flow. Number 4. HP 64 Black and Tricolor Ink Cartridges Combo Pack. Get vibrant color and crisp black text with this combo pack of HP 64 ink cartridges. They are designed to deliver consistent quality and reliability for all your printing needs. These cartridges are engineered to work perfectly with a range of HP printers, including the Inspire 7950E, Envy Photo series, and Tango. Enjoy a hassle-free printing experience. Print up to 200 pages in black and 165 pages in Tricolor. This ensures you can handle everyday printing tasks at home, in the office, or for your small business. Take advantage of HP's Instant Ink service. This means you can save money and never run out of ink again. Choosing these cartridges means you're supporting sustainability. HP has upcycled over 2,300 metric tons of plastic from oceans into their ink cartridges. Trust HP for your printing needs. These cartridges provide the reliable performance you expect, ensuring every print is of the highest quality. What we like. This combo pack provides both black and tricolor cartridges for all your everyday printing needs. With yields of 200 pages for black and 165 for color, it's a balanced option. If you need a convenient solution for general home or office use and want both colors in one purchase, this pack is ideal. What people say. The HP Envy Inspire 7900E ink cartridge is designed for vibrant, true-to-life colors. This cartridge offers excellent print quality with sharp text and detailed images. It is compatible with a range of HP Envy printers, ensuring a seamless printing experience. Number 3. HP 64XL Tricolor High-Yield Ink Cartridge. Experience vibrant, high-quality color prints with this high-yield ink cartridge. Designed for efficiency, it ensures you get more pages per cartridge. This ink is engineered to work flawlessly with your HP Envy Inspire, Envy Photo, and Tango printers. Enjoy consistent, reliable performance every time you print. With an approximate yield of 415 pages, you can handle all your printing needs with confidence. It's perfect for everyday home, office, and small business use. Save on ink with HP's Instant Ink program. This cartridge is eligible, offering a convenient and cost-effective printing solution. Feel good about your purchase. HP is committed to sustainability, upcycling plastic from oceans into our ink cartridges. Trust in HP's commitment to quality. This ink provides the reliability and value you expect for all your important documents and photos. What we like. This high-yield tricolor cartridge delivers 415 pages of vibrant color. It's designed for quality and consistency in your color prints. If you frequently print photos or colorful graphics and want to ensure bright, accurate colors, this cartridge is a great choice. What people say. The HP Envy Inspire 7900E ink cartridge is designed for vibrant, true-to-life colors. This cartridge offers excellent print quality for both documents and photos. It is easy to install and recognized immediately by the printer. Number 2. 64XL Tricolor Replacement Ink Cartridges. Experience vivid and true-to-life colors with our high-quality replacement ink cartridges. Designed for exceptional print results, they bring your photos and documents to life. These cartridges are compatible with a wide range of HP printers, including the Envy series and HP Tango models. Enjoy seamless integration with your existing printer. Get more out of every cartridge with an impressive page yield of 415 pages each. This means fewer replacements and more printing for your money. Each cartridge contains 10 milliliters of ink, ensuring a consistent and reliable ink supply for all your printing needs. You can count on them for crisp text and brilliant images. This package includes two 64XL color ink cartridges, ready to be installed. They are designed for easy replacement, so you can get back to printing in no time. Choose a cost-effective solution without compromising on quality. These cartridges offer a great alternative for your printing needs, delivering excellent value. What we like. This pack includes two 64XL color ink cartridges, each yielding 415 pages. It's a compatible replacement designed for excellent color output. If you are looking for a cost-effective way to get multiple color cartridges and prioritize vibrant, consistent color reproduction, this is a solid option. What people say. The HP Envy Inspire 7900E ink cartridge is a genuine HP product, ensuring compatibility and optimal performance with HP printers. This cartridge utilizes HP's Vivera ink technology, which delivers vibrant colors and sharp black text for professional quality prints. The HP 7900E ink cartridge is designed for easy installation and replacement, minimizing downtime and hassle for users. Number 1. HP 64XL ink cartridges, black and color 2-pack. Ensure vibrant and crisp prints with our high-quality ink replacement cartridges. Designed for exceptional performance, they deliver consistent results for all your printing needs. Experience the convenience of XL capacity. These cartridges offer a higher page yield, meaning fewer replacements and more value for your money. Our ink cartridges are compatible with a wide range of HP Envy and Tango series printers. Check the compatibility list to ensure a perfect fit for your device. Featuring the latest upgraded chips, these cartridges ensure seamless compatibility and reliable performance. They are designed to work flawlessly with your printer. Enjoy a hassle-free printing experience. These cartridges are easy to install and provide reliable ink delivery for professional quality documents and photos. Please note that these cartridges are not applicable if your printer model ends with E and has the Plus service activated. However, they will work if the Plus service has not been activated. What we like. This remanufactured 2-pack includes both a high-yield black and a high-yield color cartridge, featuring upgraded chips for compatibility. The black cartridge yields 600 pages and the color yields 450 pages. If you're seeking a budget-friendly option with high page yields for both black and color, and appreciate the assurance of an upgraded chip, this combo is worth considering. What people say. The HP Envy Inspire 7900E ink cartridge is designed for vibrant, true-to-life colors, ensuring your photos and documents look professional. This cartridge utilizes HP's advanced ink technology for sharp text and consistent print quality, page after page. The HP Envy Inspire 7900E ink cartridge is easy to install, making the replacement process quick and hassle-free. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.